I've heard from so many people that they're just too busy to meditate. And that's why I designed this 5-minute pause button to help you build a realistic meditation practice. Because sometimes the world gets noisy and busy, and we just need a moment to step back and notice the little things. So let's begin by simply closing our eyes and mentally pressing pause on the busyness of life to experience a little space just for you. We're going to take just a few moments to explore the intricate dance between the foreground and the background of our sensing awareness, a dance that's always happening even when we're not aware of it. So, as your body breathes comfortably, let's start with your sense of hearing, noticing what sounds are in the foreground, perhaps my voice, or maybe a noise close by. And now, shifting your attention to the background, those distant murmurs, that subtle hum of life, and just take a moment to observe the layers of sound. Good. Now, shifting your awareness to your sense of touch, as you become aware of the weight of your body, the texture of your clothes. That's the foreground. But then notice how you can easily become aware of the subtle warmth of your own skin, or the gentle movement of air, or the subtle tingling or buzzing sensations in your body. That's the background. And now, breathing in, smelling and tasting the air as you fill your lungs. Is there perhaps a flavor on your tongue from a recent drink or meal? That's the foreground. And behind that, perhaps a certain scent hanging in the air, or that neutral, almost elusive background taste of your own mouth. And now noticing behind those closed eyelids what it is you're seeing. Perhaps colors or static, maybe shifting shapes, the foreground of your awareness. And then observing the space from which those colors and shapes arise and fall back again, the background. The dance of senses is a reminder that life isn't just about what's immediately in front of us. There's a vast landscape beyond, filled with nuance and beauty. And as the thoughts come, simply observe them as the foreground of your mind. And behind them, the vast open space of your awareness, the background. And let them play, let them dance, and notice the responses you have in your feeling mind and body without judgment. As you just allow your body to breathe in and out. And now immersing yourself in all of it, the rich tapestry of your surroundings that make up the present moment, the foreground and the background of each sensation, each sound, each thought. And now taking a deep, grounding breath, becoming aware of just how aware you are, how alive you are right now. And carrying this awareness with you as you slowly, gently bring some movement to your fingers and toes. And as soon as you feel ready, opening your eyes and returning to the world with a refreshed perspective. Thanks for spending these few mindful moments with me to reset your awareness. If you'd like to go even deeper, check out the next video for a 25-minute mindfulness meditation and share in the comments below how wonderful you feel now.